moving on to the next factor, that's factor E of the Section 25 list, and that's talking about a disability, mental or physical. I think obviously our understanding of disability has completely changed over the years. It'll be interesting to find out a bit more from you about that.
What I like about Section 25, being a fan of it, is how it's endured over the time. 1973, these points were put together. And you're quite right that things have changed. I'm sure at that time, probably if one party was suffering from mental ill health or, from depression, judge probably was, oh, just get over it. You're depressed because you're getting divorced, you're going to be fine soon. Whereas obviously these factors are very flexible. It could be, ill health. It's usually going to be something that affects your ability to earn, because we have to come back to what the court's looking at is finances. So if someone has ill health, but it doesn't affect matters at all, they're still earning a lot with their job, it doesn't have any effect, it won't matter. But if there is a health condition that's going to affect their ability to earn money, it will have an effect for obvious reasons. There might be a need for spousal maintenance, they might need more from the share of the assets. And the case that we had at Family Law Cafe a couple of years ago, as soon as it came in, I saw it's going to be about the wife's health. And that was exactly what it was about in the end, that she'd had a recurrent depression. So we got lots of medical evidence about that. And the husband's case was, well, she's studying, she can go out and she can earn this amount of money. But it was accepted by the court that the nature of her depression was she just wouldn't see it coming. She'd be blindsided by it and she might be incapacitated for sort of 9 months or so. And it had always affected her earning capacity. She'd been signed off work about age 29. And while she could function at a really high level for periods, because of the nature of her depression, which would just come back, it was a real thing that it would always affect her earning capacity. And so there was a periodical payments orders were made, which the husband wasn't happy about, and he appealed it, and but had to accept in the end that it was properly made.
Thank you so much for your time. We hope you enjoyed watching this and found it informative. If you do have any questions or you want to reach out and find out more about the work we do, then please do drop us an email at info@familylawcafe.co.uk.